Hi, my name is Eva, and in this video tutorial, I will explain how to import a taxonomy for a species list using WoRMS. A quick reminder, WoRMS is an acronym for World Register of Marine Species, whose aim is to provide a valid list of names of marine organisms. So let's go back to the topic. How will I import a taxonomy for my species list using WoRMS? First, I have created an Excel sheet with a list of species I want to match with WoRMS. The list can be made in Excel, but also as text or CSV file. Access the WoRMS webpage on www.marinespecies.org and go to Tools, Match Taxa. You can use this tool to validate the name of the species or to receive authority, meaning name of the authors and the dates when a species have been described, or as in my case, to get the full classification. Upload the file. First row contains column names. It's correct for my case, so I will leave it. I don't have to select row delimiter and column delimiter because in the case of the Excel sheet, it's already pre-selected. I will not use the flag box match authority because in my case, I have not included the authors. Match up to list. You define to what level in the classification you want to match your list with. If your list has only one column with taxon names, meaning no classification, then you indicate match up to scientific name. But I have prepared a list with two columns, one for genus and one for species, so we'll pick the genus level. Limit to box is used to avoid matches with homonyms, but I will not use it in my case. At the end, you indicate the output boxes. Which data would you like to get? Since I'm interested in classification, I will just pick the classification box. Click the Next button, and the window with the uploaded list appears. Click the Match button, and here it is. The result is a window with all my species are valid and matched with the WoRMS. I will leave the pre-selected option for the output file, download, save as, and let's check the result. Here it is, my species list and the higher taxonomic levels. Thank you for watching my first video ever. I hope it is useful. Goodbye.